Writing a good YouTube video script is one of the biggest way to get more traffic and deliver your message. So if you have been struggling to come up with video scripts, or you are just looking to save a time, AI can help you streamline the whole process. And today I'm going to show you a game-changing way to create a video script faster and smarter using AI. Let's dive right in and see how easy it is to create a complete YouTube video script using AI. By the end of this video, you will be able to generate scripts like a pro in no time. Before we start this video, please subscribe this channel. This is the channel you need. We talk about everything about AI. Please subscribe and like this video. First, we need to use the right tool. There are many options out there, whether you're using ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or even tools like Writesonic or KNONX AI. These platforms are powerful and will help you create everything from intros to full scripts. For this tutorial, I'm using Writesonic, which is the super way and the super easy to work with. So we are going to do three things. The first thing is to use the right tool. The second one is to give AI a prompt or clear instructions, what we need to do. Yes. And the third step is to editing and finalizing the script. So first we need to use our right tool. What is the right tool? It's a Writesonic. So Writesonic, and boom. So click here. This is the tool that we need to create our YouTube video script. So please get started and sign up this tool. This is a free tool. Yes, you don't need to pay anything. So choose your account and boom, you see that this is the free tool. So this is the free tool that we need to create our video script, our YouTube video script. Yes, using AI. Okay, or you can see here as a video. This is a free tool, so I need to create a YouTube video script. So click here. You see that YouTube video script. Click here, YouTube video script. So what is the main topic of your YouTube video? So I need to create a YouTube video script about YouTube video script. So what is the main topic of your YouTube video? So this is my YouTube video script topic: how to organize your life with AI productivity tools. So next, who is your intended audience of your YouTube video? Your target audience. Who is your target audience? Okay, beginners. Okay, general public. These are my audience. So and then click next. What specific AI productivity tools will you cover in this video? Okay, task management, AI written assistants, smart calendars, okay, written assistants, task management apps, okay, and then next. So what formats will be video? You can, yes, you see that this is the modern. This tool is awesome. It's wonderful. Yes. So about your video structure, step-by-step tutorial, okay, personal experience, and then journey. This tool will create our product. You see that one of the biggest way to create a YouTube video script is here. You can use this. This is the free tool. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe this channel and like this video to reach more people. So in 1 second we get everything we need about our video. You see that? This is our topic, okay. This is our subtopics: AI revolution in productivity, okay. Step 1, okay. Everything you see, written assistant, feeding information, okay. Number 2, master a paper text management service. You see that everything. This is the one of the best way to create a YouTube video script for free. Yes, you see that? Conclusion. This is the well structured of YouTube video script tool. And the third step is editing and finalizing your script. So how to finalize? Yes, maybe AI will be wrong, so you must check your script before you publish your video. So let's finalize it. So this is how to finalize and edit your video script. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, we used AI to create a full YouTube video script. It is fast, it is efficient, and it leaves you more time to focus on filming and editing. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions about using AI in your content creation process. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech tutorials and tech hacks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.